Hello, I'm Emanuele Balasso. I'm the Business Developer Manager for Photopolymer Resin here at iAM Marketplace. So, just to give you a quick introduction about iAM Marketplace, is a company owned by Stratasys where basically you can find everything you need for the additive manufacturing fields. We're talking about filaments, we're talking about photopolymer, we're talking about powder as well. We do the manufacture of those products, but actually we are also collaborating with other brands in order to supply to the customer every kind of material that they need for every technology. As you can see there, we are working with the main machine manufacturer in the additive manufacturing fields, Carbon 3D, HP, Nexa 3D, Raise. So basically all our material are validated to their platform, and we can sell through the iAM Marketplace, that is a website, and there is an e-commerce where the customer can buy everything they need. This is more or less. The key feature is that if the customer have specific application, for example, molding application, we have that material in our portfolio. So our goal is to have every kind of material for every kind of application that the customer needs, independent on the machine maker that they're using, the 3D printer that they use. So if a customer have a Raise 3D, they can use our material because we validate that material. If the customer want to do some specific application, they can do that as well.